Welcome! Today we will be installing the Pipe Dream Off-Road Adapter Kit for the Vintage Air Gen 5 Magnum Evaporator for your Humvee. We will also show you how to hook up the duct hoses from the Magnum Evaporator to the Pipe Dream Dash. We have found it to be easiest to bolt the Pipe Dream mounting bracket to the Vintage Air unit before installing it on the Humvee. We recommend installing 90-degree elbow fittings for the AC lines instead of the straight fitting that come with the Vintage Air kit. This is a good location to mount your relay for the Vintage Air wire harness. The AC and heater hoses will pass through the passenger wheel well in this location. You can either use bulkhead fitting like we did, or cut a large hole for the 4 hoses to pass through in one piece. Start by installing the upper 2 bolts first. For the lower 2 bolts, we have found it easiest to use a magnet to reach the mounting holes. Start with the hole closest to the passenger side and reach your hand around the back side to help push the bolt into the hole. Repeat for the 4th and final hole. Next, you can connect your AC lines, followed by your heater lines. Now, retrieve these 2 air manifolds from your Vintage Air kit. We will be installing the defrost ducts first. Next will be the manifold that connects to the main dashboard panel. This manifold is included with the Pipe Dream adapter kit. Install it with the P at the bottom. Now attach a 2-inch duct hose to the driver foot well input. It's a tight fit, but feed the hose over the top of the blower. We have moved the defrost ducts out of the way to make this easier. This hose will connect to the upper output on the Pipe Dream manifold. The lower output can be left without a hose, or you can add a hose and route it to your desired location for the passenger's feet. Reconnect the defrost manifold if needed. Next, we will be cutting 2.5-inch diameter hoses to the following lengths: 13 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, and 18 inches. Start with the 18-inch hose and connect it to the far right input on the dash. Now, connect it to the top output on the blower. Connect the 12-inch hose to the second input from the left. Now connect it to the second from the top blower output. Connect the 16-inch hose to the second from the right input. Now connect it to the third from the top blower output. Finally, connect the 13-inch hose to the far left input. Connect the final hose to the bottom blower output. Thanks for watching.